as you can tell, we sort of unwrapped the car now. Getting a bit bored of the white. And the car is very boring now without any of the livery, so we're gonna do something special today. We just got bored, so we're installing something new today. Well, something cute on the car, so yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Hopefully I don't burn the car down today. Sam left. I have to do this by myself today. Sam isn't here around, so I know I need to take stuff apart. So I need screwdrivers, I need an Allen key. We have gotten so far into the video and I'm not even saying what I'm installing it. I was bored on the internet one day and enough social media marketing worked and I picked up one of these. The size. Hajimashite, watashi no namae wa Dasai desu. So yeah, I got a white one to match my white car. Actually, I've been quite looking forward to unwrapping my car for quite a bit now because I really love white cars. So I bought this to commemorate that my car is back in white. So yeah, we gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. There, it's installed. Yeah, let's do a bit of unboxing for this little friend of ours. Oh, it's called Mochi. The brand is Dasai, but this is actually called Mochi. There's like instruction manual for how you're supposed to use it. So it's your driving friend and make noises and faces at you when you drive. Oh shit! What did I do?
You break it?
No. Oh, it clicked into place. But anyway, it sits here. It sits here, or actually you can sit anywhere you want it to. An additional level of difficulty we are doing today is, so we're not just using the USB-C cable. We're actually going to hardwire it to the car because I don't like things running to the cigarette port. So we're going to figure out how we're going to attach the live and ground wires and to the existing electrical circuit in the car. I don't know how to tap live or ground wires. I just look for the black and red one, right? Anyway, while we're here, I have been running this Vertex steering wheel that was actually signed by Ueno-san. But the wheel is a bit small and I'm not used to the size. And so we're going to put back our RWB wheel that Nakai signed. Yeah. So we're just going to put back the old cluster to this car so I don't have a speed chime.
Because you hit 100 very often, right?
Actually, we should make sure that like this is working first. So let's plug in the cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
So just a USB-C port at the back and the cable plugs in here. Should work right now. Oh shit, copyright. So I guess we know it works now. So now we have to go around getting... Oh! Doing a face.
You're doing a face? What face?
I don't know, I did a face.
You like bonking on that. Oh, it's making fun of you.
Hello. How does it react to things?
I don't know.
Bye-bye. Oh, just dies.
It's quite dark.
We're gonna use the tap on the ignition light, the key light harness. So yeah, I think it shouldn't be that bad. We'll just hide all the wiring in the steering column. Nope, that's not good. Shit. I didn't put a stick in the hole. Right, there you go. It's like nothing ever happened. For some reason on this cluster, I'm missing all the error lights. So I'm just gonna repurpose stuff from here and stick it in here. There's a whole bunch of error lights here that I just realized are blank. So it has been blank the whole time. This is a facelift cluster. And this is a pre-facelift cluster. So the clusters are a bit different. So I'm just trying to reuse like things. So there's something that's pretty cool that I got last time for this car. And it is a rotary shaped button pressing thing. So this is the trip reset button. And I have one that is a triangle. Because why wouldn't you have this if you have a rotary? There are no error lights.
Oh, the car's fine then.
There might be an issue that because it's a pre-facelift wiring harness, it doesn't tell the cluster about the error lights. Well, that was a futile exercise.
At this point, Sam had come back from his parts run and astutely pointed out a very conveniently placed USB-A cable that was coming from the radio.
So it turns out, I don't need the hard wiring kit. So this is from the radio. We have a USB-A thing that comes out of the radio that I forgot about. Guess there's no wiring work today. So the aftermarket head unit comes with the USB-A connection that nobody ever uses. So I could have just used that power source to power the Mochi. You! I have a high beam light now. Oh, that broke. Stop playing with mine. So included in the Sai Mochi's box comes with Velcro, which is cut to shape. So it's pretty cool. You can remove Mochi at any point in time. And so we're gonna stick it right here. Wow, look at that, that's so nice. So we can now put Mochi in his new home. Alright, once we get the boost controller pasted down, everything behind the steering wheel is done and we can put the steering wheel back in the car. Alright, so everything's done now. So moment of truth. Hopefully everything still works. My new friend. Oh my god, it's upside down. I think it just does things whenever it feels like it.
Yeah. Maybe that's what makes it fun.
Yeah.
And there you have it, a new driving companion to accompany you on long drives and boring trips back from work. If you want to find out more about the Sai, you can head over to their Instagram at thesai.co.